Okay, let's be real. If you're just using AI to answer basic questions or write a simple email, you are barely scratching the surface of what it can do. In this explainer, we're going to show you how to unlock its true power, how to flip the switch and turn on easy mode for pretty much every part of your life. And look, this is true for almost everyone, right? We ask it to do these little tasks, but the real game-changing potential, it lies so much deeper than that. So today, we're going to dive into 23, that's right, 23 powerful strategies that can fundamentally change how you approach your goals, your work, and even how you see yourself. I want you to think of this as your personal guide to making life simpler, more effective, and way more intentional. These aren't just little tips and tricks, they are full-on frameworks for thinking better and executing smarter, all powered by an AI that actually gets you. All right, first things first. We have to look inward. Because here's the thing, before an AI can help you build your future, it needs to understand who you are right now. So we're starting with AI as your mirror for some really deep self-awareness. And the cornerstone of all of this, it's a concept called the master prompt. Imagine giving your AI a complete user manual for you. It's this one single document with your values, your goals, your principles, everything that makes you, you. And making one is actually super simple. You literally just ask the AI to interview you. You open up, you share your core values, your biggest goals, your principles. The AI compiles it all, you save it, and then you just upload that document before you start a new chat. From that moment on, every single answer it gives you is filtered through your personal lens. How cool is that? But wait, it gets even cooler. You can take this a step further with something called the hidden truth mirror. You feed the AI your own writing. I'm talking journals, blog posts, whatever you've got, and you ask it this one simple question. Tell me something unique about me that I don't see yet. It's going to analyze your patterns and show you things about yourself you might have completely missed. And if you really want to get to the core of it all, to get that ultimate clarity, try the eulogy writer. You ask the AI using that master prompt you created to write your eulogy. I know, it sounds intense, but it forces you to look at your legacy head on and gives you this incredible focus on how you're living your life today. Okay, so once you have that deep self-awareness, you're ready for the next level. Phase 2, using AI as your personal strategist to actually map out your future. You know how it is. We all have these huge, amazing goals, right? I want to start a company, but turning that into a real plan, it's so overwhelming. Well, AI can take that big, kind of fuzzy vision and bam, instantly turn it into a detailed 30, 60, 90-day roadmap with super specific, actionable steps. No more guessing what to do next. And get this, you don't have to figure it all out by yourself. You can build a virtual board of advisors. Seriously, just tell your AI to act like anyone you admire, a specific CEO, a philosopher from ancient Greece, a famous artist, and get their unique take on whatever problem you're facing. And to really hone your instincts over time, you can use AI to create a decision-making journal. You just log your big choices, let the AI play devil's advocate and challenge your thinking, and then you review the outcomes down the road. It creates this amazing feedback loop that just makes you a better decision maker. Period. All right, so we've done the deep inner work, we've strategized our future. Now let's bring it back down to earth. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of daily life. How can AI become your personal assistant, saving you a ton of time and mental energy every single day? We've all seen this, right? Staring at a giant wall of text like this. That dense, confusing legal jargon in a contract or a financial document, it just makes your brain hurt. This is the perfect job for your AI assistant. And boom, here's the solution, the contract translator. You just upload that nightmare document, and the AI spits it back out in plain, simple English. Even better, it flags the riskiest parts and tells you the exact questions you need to ask. It's like having a lawyer in your pocket, giving you the upper hand. Now, this one is a game changer for productivity. It's called the AI camcorder method. Let's say there's a task you do all the time that you want to delegate. Just record yourself doing it. Audio is fine. Get a transcript, paste it into the AI, and ask for a one-page checklist. Just like that, you have a perfect standard operating procedure ready to go. Okay, for our final section, let's talk about one of the most powerful roles AI can play in your life, being your personal coach for growth, for better communication, and for just navigating all the challenges life throws at you. The message sharpener, oh man, this is a lifesaver. We've all done it, right? You write a quick message, and it comes out a little harsh, a little too blunt. You just feed that draft to the AI, and it publishes it for you, making it more diplomatic and way more effective, but without losing the point you're trying to make. You can also use AI as your personal sparring partner. Think about it. Before you have that tough conversation with your boss or your partner or whoever, you can role play the entire thing with an AI acting as that person. It is an incredible way to practice your points and walk into that real conversation feeling so much more prepared and confident. And for those really tough days, AI can be an emotional debrief partner that's available 24/7. Instead of just letting frustration build up, you can vent it all out to the AI and then ask a simple question. What's the one lesson here? Or where's the silver lining? It's such a powerful way to shift your perspective in the moment. So as you can see, this is about so much more than just getting quick answers. The real goal here isn't just to use an external tool, it's to build your second brain, a true extension of your own mind that holds your personal context, helps sharpen your thinking, and empowers you to get things done. I know we've covered a ton of ground, and it can definitely feel like a lot to take in. But the most important part of learning is doing. So let's boil this all down to just one single thing. So here's my challenge to you. Out of everything we just talked about, pick one, just one strategy. Are you going to build your master prompt, or maybe try the message sharpener on your next email? Pick the one that gets you the most excited and just commit to trying it this week. So I'll leave you with this final thought to chew on. When you have an AI partner that truly knows you, that understands your values, gets your goals, and helps you navigate your biggest challenges, what becomes possible then? Really, what's the limit?